Welcome. In this video, I want to cover how to get 10 cents discount on your per gallon as a Spark driver, or even Spark driver, as long as you have a Walmart Plus membership, or as a Spark driver. If you qualify for do certain things, you'll qualify, and you can watch another video on that topic. But we're gonna go to our Walmart app. And then we're going to go to services, members, price, and fuel. So here on the top, member benefits. So we're going to click on that, which then it's going to either some pumps have a barcode that you're going to scan. If not, then it's going to have the ID here at the bottom, and we're going to type that ID in. So let's get out and make that happen. So, at the Walmart pump, we're going to hit Walmart Plus, and we're going to key in the AP on the pad, which is and then we're going to hit enter, and as you guys can see, the price have dropped from $3.12, which I'm sorry. What I'm going to do is just show you guys in the water pump. So the price is at $3.12. It went down to $3.02. So then I'm going to use the regular payment process as with a card. There's my card. And finalize the payment, which is, as you guys can see, white transaction canceled. I guess I was taking it too long trying to show you guys. So the price again is $3.12, and I guess we'll have to take a little time until the pump becomes available, and we'll have to key in the ID again. Walmart Plus confirmed. Card read error. Yes, I'd like a receipt, and then pretty much from there, and we are pumping at 302. To make sure you guys are seeing that. So that's about it. So the process is very easy, very simple, and can be easily done. Okay, come on. So that's how you get 10 cents discount on Walmart Plus membership.